Hi everyone, it's June 27th and we're up bright and early to continue our weekend adventure outside Tumbler Ridge, BC. In our last episode, you came along as we hiked and visited 3 amazing waterfalls, helped to stop a wildfire from getting out of control, and kept Milo cool in various water features along the way. Today we're going to travel about 2 hours to Mount Spieker and Mount Reeser and hope the temperatures are a bit cooler. It's in the 30s already with a high of 39 expected, so our first stop will be in Moose Lake so we can start the day off refreshed.
Milo needs to get into the water. You going in, bud? Really? That's the furthest he's never swam that far before. Oh, what a cutie. What's up with this beer bottle? Why would somebody do this in a beautiful lake like this? I think we could have got the jeeps in here. But how did we get past those rocks? What rock?
Moose Lake is the only lake along the course of the Fraser River and is downstream from Moose River. It was originally named by the local Cree Indians and is regularly stocked with rainbow trout. I guess we should have brought our fishing rods.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Our bridge at the bottom of the hill.
If I hit it fast enough, I can jump it?
No.
Oh, the beautiful creek.
Yes, it is.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for.
Oh, the rest we gotta hike. Well, they're bringing quads up there. Oh, Mike can't go up there.
Mike can go in your passenger seat.
The sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
Alright, so we've come to the end.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
You boys are so slow. I'm done. So I had to replace a valve stem. Airing down to 15. Michael is airing up to 15 on the bad tire. Since this looks like a quad trail, to be safe, we decided Jason should take a quick run ahead to make sure the trail was passable for the Jeeps.
I think so. Want me to send her around? Yeah. Yep. Pretty steep little section. We walked out the whole thing. This appears to be the worst of it. You can see that's where Sandy and Mike are right now. Jason should be coming up in his Jeep. Right here, my Jeep was reading 23 degrees incline.
so sure we're going to be able to make it. Looks like the snowbank, or the snow is not melted along the side of the road and it gets too skinny to pass. Quad maybe, but not the Jeeps. Fortunate enough for us, we're parked at a spot we can turn right now. So I'm gonna walk down and see. Yeah, we're not going there. No. This one here, this one's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're on the edge and ready to give. Nope.
Well, that route is a no-go, but a friendly hiker told us to walk up the trail about 200 meters and we would be at a lookout that would take our breath away. And did it ever.
Close your eyes, dude.
There's our Jeeps down there. This is the top of Spieker Mountain.
This is like that place up to like Tumbler Ridge.
Mount Spieker's summit is 1,971 meters above sea level and is flat-topped. It lies along a gentle 4-kilometer-long alpine ridge and has impressive rock formations and beautiful wildflowers.
That's okay. I'll get Sandy and then spin it around.
Yeah.
Wow, what an amazing weekend exploring beautiful waterfalls and glorious mountaintops with great friends. It's time to air up and head for home. Thank you so much for coming along with us. We hope you are inspired to do some exploring of your own, because adventure awaits.
No, Mike. No.
You can do it. Oh my gosh, Mike.
God forbid he let that stick go.